Hey, Logan here with the BISSELL Revolution 2X Pet Carpet Cleaner. And today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at this machine. At the time of recording, this model retails for $199 from a variety of retailers. As you can see, this is a red model, meaning it is the target color. However, it comes in yellow from Walmart and Amazon, I believe. So at the time of recording, this is $199. And one of the things they claim is it beats the Rug Doctor carpet cleaner, and they also claim if you put it into the express mode, it dries in 1 hour. So with this machine, you have a choice of either having the deep clean that they say beats Rug Doctor, or having the quick clean, which dries in 1 hour. So I'm going to be testing both modes, and with that, let's pop it open and see what comes in the box. Also, with the Target edition, there's a $10 donation to the BISSELL Pet Foundation. I do not know if that comes on the other models or not, but let's take a look at what comes in the box. So as we can see, we're opening at the top here. And first things first. First, we have our manual and warranty card. We have our BISSELL Easy Fill Deep Clean plus antibacterial formula. We have our BISSELL Professional formula. I'll give you two different formulas in the box. We have a single hand tool that they call the pet stain tool. We have a handle, piece of cardboard. We have a tank here. And one of the things about this model is it has two separate tanks versus the usual BISSELL tank-in-tank design. We have a carry handle. We have a bag with a hose that looks like additional tools. Another piece of cardboard. We have the machine itself, which I will put to the side, and just some more cardboard that's in the box. So I'm going to put the box to the side now and assemble it. Let's adjust this to make sure you can see it on the camera. Yep, that is all available. So let's take a quick look at what comes in the tool bag first. That way we can put it off to the side. In the tool bag, we have a hose. We have a measuring cup, it looks like. We have a smaller hand tool, which I'm guessing this is the tough stain tool that BISSELL usually includes. We have a nozzle cleanout tool and a brush roll hair remover. And then the last attachment we have is the pet stain tool up here. And this is nice because if you press the little button on it, the front, if it's like previous ones, the front here, it's doing it. It's just very hard to do it while being able to show on camera. There we go. The front comes out, so if there's a pet mess, you can wash it out very easily. Big plus if you do have pets. So let's put the plastic to the side and put this all back in the bag. As you can see, the hose folds up. And goes right in the bag. Along with the measuring cup, the tough stain tool, the cleaning tool, and the pet stain tool. And this bag we're going to put off camera for now. Let's take a look at what else. We have our formulas. We're going to put these to the side. Then we have our tank 1 here, which this is the clean water tank here. And it also has the easy fill system on the top. So you can just take this bottle after you uncap it, push it straight onto here, and it automatically doses the correct amount into the 1 gallon clean water tank. Makes it very nice and easy for those of you who don't like using the measuring cup. However, it does not give you as much control, and it probably will be more expensive in practice. We have our handle here, which has a little assembly guide and some Phillips head screws on it, so I'm going to grab a screwdriver. We have our carrying handle. And we have the moment you've all been waiting for, the machine itself. Let's take a quick look at it before we assemble. On the side here we have our Deep Clean Express Clean switch. So as you can see, you can put it down or up for whether you want express or deep. It says heat wave technology here, which means that all the motor's hot air is forced up and hits the bottom of the clean water tank, which in theory raises the heat a little bit. In practice it doesn't do much except look nice on the box. And then we have our nozzle tool right here, so you can click your hose in right here. It says lift to attach tool, so that's tools. We have 2 rows of brushes down here, along with side scrubbing brushes, and then our suction channel right here. This is our dirty water tank, which if we press down we can remove, just like that. So nice and easy, along with our pour spout. We're just going to put this right back inside, and there we go. So then we can take this, and it looks like it'll slot right in here. And then let's see assembly instructions. Being that I haven't done this before, let's take a look. It says step 1, make sure there's a click. Step 2, align the carry handle, and then screw it in. Step 3, secure the carry handle. And step 4, put the water tank on. Okay, so we just pushing this until it clicks. There we go. And there is the click. And then now we need to put this on, carry handle, and then the screw goes right through there. And then the screw is attached up top. So let's see if I can get the screw out. And there is our singular screw. For the purposes of this video, I will be attaching it later, but that is where you put the screw, right in there under the carry handle. Last thing you need to do is take the clean water tank and attach it just like so. And there you go. It is all set up. This is the BISSELL 2X ProHeat Revolution PET machine, and it retails for $199 at time of retail. Take a look on Backbin for future videos of this machine, including use in both express and deep clean modes, and some troubleshooting videos. This has been Logan for Backbin.com. Thanks for watching.